use on hot summer days. Anyone walks by, and we meet people on a daily basis. Am I right? Like that. Get it up for Pearhead.
Se llama Pip.
At 17 years old, this 163-pound California swag is a go-getter, a fast learner, and has more energy than a toddler at bedtime. Her name means sweet anyway. Let's go for Sakari!
Sakari's superpower is super fart.
At 17 years old, this 170-pound California swag is she loves to eat and is just waiting for her tiara to come in so that everyone can start referring to her as the Queen. Her name is short for California. Let's give a round of applause for Callie.
¿Cómo saltó rapidísimo?
Wow, those sea lion superheroes are incredible. But I just have one question wrong. Hey, bud, none of these sea lion superheroes are from Connecticut. Fun fact, California sea lions are found on the West Coast. On the East Coast, we have seals. Oh, so then how did they end up at this day? Oh, well, each of these sea lions were once stranded and rescued off the California coastline. Now they make Mystic Aquarium their forever home, where they make it their mission as Sea Squad superheroes to teach others how to care for and protect our ocean from all species. Awesome. So now what? Oh, well, it's time to find out about our mission. Yes.
Hi, Mr. Aquarium Superheroes. I'm Owen, a member of your Sea Squad. Recently, someone was having a party on the beach and left all their trash. I can't clean it up all by myself. Plus, there's a seal nearby who can take it up in a minute. But I know I'm supposed to get supposed to be strong. As a member of your Sea Squad, I know the first thing I'm supposed to do is call professional for help. So that's what I do. Please, send out the superheroes.
That's right. Best practices say you should always stay at least 150 feet away from wildlife. Well, I want to be safe, but how am I supposed to know how far 150 feet is? Oh, I got it. 1, 2, 3,
Wait a second. Hold on,
4.
we actually have a really great trick for that.
All right, everyone. I want you to hold out your left thumb and try to come over to our sea lions so you can't see them anymore. If you can still see them, well, that means you are too close. No, definitely not. You, over there, you're 150 feet away from me. And you, over there, you're 150 feet. Okay.
¿Será que me apunta?
Back on track. So what happens if all the trash gets swept away into the ocean? Scientists are the ones that are Mystic Aquarium. Having the trash in the ocean can make animals sick.
They can get caught in it and they can get hurt. And marine animals can even mistake trash for food.
¿Cómo se llama el muerto?
That's why plastic free is the way to be. Use cloth bags at grocery stores and everywhere you shop.
No le lleva la vez.
Thanks, Kelly, for being such a super role model.
Too much trash in the ocean can grow into a giant floating island, just like this one off the coast of California.
No!
Yes, and because the ocean's so big, it's really
try my best.
C-Squad Superheroes, team up!
C-Squad superheroes to the beach.
Oh, but the water from the beach is at the other end of that cliff.
Oh, that's just my bad. Okay, we're gonna.
Well, nobody said being a superhero was easy. Well, we finally made it to the beach.
Yeah, but Commander, there is one problem. I don't see the trash anywhere. Sakari, do you see the trash? No? Alright, do any of you see the trash? No? Alright, let's send out Steve.